What up, guys? Just takes us back with another video, and I don't know why, but I tried making a video and something went completely wrong. But just to get y'all into what happened, or while I wasn't making a video, is I leveled up my death dealer once or twice, not once, and I also leveled up my jacket, and then I also got a new helmet. Plus, I leveled up twice, and just leveling up. And this shotgun now is completely awesome. Like, I love this thing. And I died. When he was like, my joystick wasn't working. I tried making a video, but so it appears to be working now. Hopefully, it stays that way. And there it goes again. Look, right in the frame. Look at this. It just don't work. I don't know why it is doing this. Like, I get into fighting, and it just goes completely wrong. Something's sticky on the screen. I don't know what it is, though. And there goes the cord. I don't know what it is, but it is sticky. Oh, look, somebody right there. Oh, look, he's dead. Oh, look, somebody behind me. Oh, look, he's about to be dead. Oh, look, he's dead. Double kill. Sweet. I cannot believe I killed him. What up? Crap, dude, he's on our side shooting. It's like, what the freak's up with that? On our side shooting us. Nope, there's his gun. Just to prove you. You disbelievers. Dude, what the freak? I'm doing horrible this round. My joystick's messing up. Everything's just going completely wrong. Like, what is up? Look, it's like that's a coast spot right there. I would have had him. What I say? I don't want to use my health regen. Somebody right there. I killed him. Whoa, my health came up. Think he saw me. Hoping he didn't. Oh, look, he saw me. Dang, he came right around that corner, too. We have a chance to catch up if everybody just kills the other team and we don't die. Which is pretty hard, because some of us are pretty bad. Look, he just destroyed himself completely. Oh, look, there's somebody behind me. What the heck? 17 seconds, 16 seconds, 15, 14, 13, 12. Freak this. I'm going assault rifle. Look, I can't move. Like, that's messed up. No, respawn, I gotta be in the game. Oh, good. Oh, come on. If you were a little bit sooner. We lost. Bad. My joystick was messing up. Like, what the heck? Yeah, but look, I'll get that out of the way. I don't even know what that is. Totally don't know what that is. But, shotguns. I leveled up my death dealer twice. And I also leveled up my, jacket once. And I have not bought legs. The ones I want, though, is, it's, is that one, or is it, I think it's that one. I don't know. But the head I want, I got it picked out, is this one. Like this one, 10,000, 10, 400. I mean, it's like 400 more bucks. Yeah. So let's get into another battle. See if, see if we can actually do something this round. My joystick's smooth. Like the first, like 4 rounds with the shotgun, it was awesome, and then I think the game put me with people with higher guns, and it's just like I was playing with some losers. Like, I'm sorry, but nobody's a loser. But I'm saying that word compared to like all the stuff I have. They were just a low level, and it was just, you know, it was it. I don't even know how to explain it. Like, I think I died twice in a game. Dude, how many shots did it take to kill you? My, oh my. I'll actually take that gun. It always brings me to the buffalo, and I hate it. Crap, switch. And he's gonna get me. No, he didn't. I got him with a grenade. Anyway. 126.94. And y'all know I hate this map, and I'm actually doing pretty good. Now that, watch me, now that I say that, I'm with Jinxus on this game. I'm gonna switch to this. Just because. Watch, this is gonna coast me. I'm gonna do horrible now with my, once I die. If I ever die, I should have let him kill him. Just hide right here. Forgot you can't reload. Oh, he's right there. Oh my god, he's sorry. Ugh. I want the, I forgot what it's called, but it's yellow. And like, everybody uses it. And it's like an assault rifle, but in a shotgun. That is basically what it is. That was my mistake. I'm gonna get back with my teammates. Just for some reason, they're all back here. I'm actually gonna go this way. Everybody's focused over there. Had a chance to get over here. Look at that. Look, what did I say? Oh, look, a gun. Oh, look, a person. Watch, gonna look at that. I hate. Oh my word. I could have killed him too. Like, I could have. Hey. Oh, and there goes my payload. I could have easily killed him. But no. I just, you know, I wanted to be nice and let him kill me so they could get some points. Oh, there's a bad guy right here. How did he not kill me? Oh my goodness. Run! Whoop! Pieces of junk. Look, we're kinda. Never mind. Not even gonna say it. Oh my lord. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. What are you? But say if I kill him, that I'm just plain old like I don't even know. Oh, we're so close. I want to get them. I want to get the like. I play basketball. It would be a buzzer. We call it the bell ringers. But yes, I did it. Yes. Only killed 9 people though. I don't know. What could I level up? I don't want one of these. I don't want that so bad. Like, I definitely... No, I don't want that. Even though I'm good at headshots. I would like that, but I'll take this. And it looks cool. That too. Oh yeah, and I got a new, thingamajigger sign. This one right here. A little shotgun barrel. And I got the repair kit and the stim gun. I really like this stim gun though. Like, it doesn't work as much. At least, I don't think it is. Who's on? Oh yeah, and I got a clan. If I might be accepting people. It's called Falcons, as you see to the left. Me and my brother, or friend, not brother, what am I saying? My friend's on it. Right here. You can kick them out, want me to? But yeah, y'all can, I might be inviting people. I don't know. This was a very slow video though, but please leave a like and a comment below. And don't forget to push that notification button. See you later, guys.